So I went to Ulta the other day and I got these. This was the last one that they had, and they had like 2 more of these. I was just gonna get a packet, but like they were out of the little packets. I was like, might as well buy the whole thing. And I'm like, this thing is tiny. Like, look at how tiny it is. Kind of disappointed in the side. You can do better. Anyway, so I'm so excited to try these out. I've heard that they're absolutely amazing, and it's time for me to wash my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and apply this. I'm going to go wash my hair with Aussie Moist shampoo, and I'm not gonna condition because I'm going to deep condition, and I will be right back. So I completely shampooed my hair. I did a deep condition a while ago, a SheaMoisture deep condition for like super damaged hair. Ever since then my hair's been super defined, but it's also really dry, so I'm pretty excited to see what this does. Now here's what it looks like, y'all. He thick. Wow, that is so thick. What? Like, what? Okay, I can respect this. So let me just put it in the front. It feels really nice. It smells okay. It's like nothing special, but honestly, deep conditions don't need to smell great. It feels so soft. Okay. It feels so good. Okay, so I've done half of my hair. This half, obviously, you can see the other half is starting to shrink a lot. So I thought this could be a good time to basically give my opinion on it so far. My hair feels absolutely amazing. It's so soft. Like, compared to this side, like, it is so soft and it feels absolutely amazing. Like, look at it on this side. I can just run my fingers through it really quickly. It has amazing slip, so you can detangle with it. And let's just go into what it's supposed to do. So this has Mafura oil, baobab oil, manuka honey, and yogurt extract. So the manuka honey is supposed to provide moisture and boost shine. The yogurt extract is supposed to add nourishing moisture to your hair. The Mafura oil is supposed to soften and promote healthy looking hair, and it doesn't say what the baobab oil does, but I'm gonna assume it does the same thing, I guess. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a protein power hair mask. It's supposed to be really good for your hair to strengthen and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. So far, I really like it. Like, my hair looks absolutely amazing. I'm extremely shocked with how thick it is. Like, your hair needs to be pretty wet, because in order to like move this around, you gotta have some soaking wet hair. So it's like just that little piece, okay? That one piece covers my hands completely. So a little goes a long way, which I now understand why they gave you a smaller amount of product. Putting it in, it feels so soft, and you can detangle with it so easily. Like, just like that. Just like that. This side is done. So now let me do my bangs. Okay, so I'm detangling, and look, just like that, my fingers can run through my hair so quickly and easily. Just look, they just run through and my hair bounces back. Oh my gosh, like, my hair looks and feels so great. So I'm going to put a hot head on and leave this in for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to test out this, which I was really interested in. It's the Hydrate and Repair Split M Balm. How? Doesn't make any sense to me. It's a balm. It's not even like a product. Like, I was gonna get their leave-in conditioner, but I have enough of those, and it's just, I didn't need all of it. So we're just gonna try out these 2 products that I had the most interest in. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair up in my hot head, and I will be back in 30 minutes, which is 2 seconds. I'll see ya. Okay, so I rinsed it out, and this is what my hair looks like. If I'm being a little honest, I like the other one better, you know, the purple one, because it defined my curls a little more, but this one makes my hair extremely soft and like so nice feeling. But I like that the other one defined my curls more. I don't really see a difference between the way my curls look. They kind of just look the same, to be honest. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair like I normally do. I have a new routine now. I started using SheaMoisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie again, and it seems like they changed the formula yet again, even though they say they don't. It's different. But it's also been 2 years since I last used it, so what am I talking about? So I'm gonna use this and a little bit of Eco Stellar gel. I'm unsure of when to use this. Damp or dry hair, focus on ends, style as usual. Alright, so I'm gonna put the curl enhancing smoothie throughout my hair, and then I'm gonna put the balm and see what happens. I'm gonna find a split end. I'm gonna find a split end and I'm gonna cover it in the balm and see what happens because I'm curious. Wow, that defined my curls a lot. Whoa, dude. Okay, so now we're supposed to apply the balm to the ends of your hair. So it just looks like a regular old balm. Really waxy and hard. Let's find a split end to try it on. I just want to use one single hair with a split end and see what happens because I'm really curious about it. It's a lot harder to find a split end when my hair's wet. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I know I have split ends, but I'm not finding them for some reason. And I think it's just because my hair's wet. So I'm gonna apply the balm onto the bottom of my hair and see if I personally can see a difference in how my hair looks and feels. And so I rubbed my hand into the balm pretty hard. I'm just gonna do it in sections. So just taking it and I'm just gonna rub it on the bottom of this and massage it in. Curious as to what this is doing. It feels nice. Whoa, wait a second, let's try this again. Okay, good bands now. Okay, look at them, observe, and then I'm gonna put the balm on them and massage it in. Now look at them. Do they look different to you? Keep trying. Here are my ends. Gonna apply the balm. Oh, I'm pushing really hard. I need to apply it and massage it. Now look. Now look. Interesting. Okay, let's try again. Here are my ends. Here's what they look like. Taking the balm, making sure I get all of my ends. And now look at them. They look better every time I do it. Interesting. That's really cool. Okay. So it says you can use it damp and dry. So when my hair dries, I'm gonna see if I can find a split end maybe. My hair looks really nice. My ends feel soft. I have like this like half an inch section that always feels really dry. It's like I can't ever do anything to help them. They feel great right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Eco Styler gel. And yo, my hair's getting longer. My hair. He working his best. My hair is extremely shiny. Look at how shiny my hair is. It looks so soft. Oh, look at that. Man, you look good. You look good, hair. My ends look so good. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. I'm gonna go on my bike ride and I will get back to you guys and show you how my hair looks. At the end of the day, I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Hey everybody, so now it is the next day and here is what my hair looks like. It's super shiny and also really defined. Also my ends are happy. How curled up they are. Like, they're extremely happy. And we can test the balm on a split end. Okay, do you see that? I just pulled it out my head. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it, but the end of it is split over here. It's split slightly, but I can see it, so I'll tell you if it works or not. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of the balm onto my finger and rub it over it. What? So now it is no longer split. Interesting. We gonna try another one because that was insane. Okay, here's the other hair that is split. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, I think you can see that one a little better. It is definitely split. Apply the balm to it. Put my finger in. How? Oh my gosh. It's not split anymore. Here it is now. Somehow, some way, no longer split. I don't really know how that works, but it is no longer split. Like how? How? SheaMoisture, I want to know because it doesn't make any sense. says it instantly seals and reduces the appearance of split ends. Like, it does exactly what it says. I think that's crazy. It also reduces breakage from heat styling up to 89%. My mind is absolutely blown. Y'all, if you don't have this, go to your local Ulta, get you some of this, and get you some of this. These two right here will save your life. They will save your life. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These products absolutely, like, have blown my mind. More so the balm. While I do like this, it's not my favorite one from SheaMoisture. I do like their purple one. I don't remember what it's called. Hopefully I can put a picture up, and maybe I have been this whole video and don't even know. That one right there, if he's there, him does so good for your hair. I need to stop talking about it because there's videos on this one, but it's nice. It is really nice. My ends always feel dry. They don't feel as dry, which is pretty cool. It's just like, how in the world? I'm mind blown. Go get you some of this, and if you have tried it, please comment down below. Also, I was looking at my demographics. 98% of my viewers aren't subscribed. 98%. You right there, looking right at you, honey. Why aren't you subscribed? When that end screen pops up, I'm gonna need you to subscribe because you're watching the videos. All you have to do is click a button. It's literally that simple. It's just a button that you click. So when the end screen pops up in like 2 seconds, you're gonna need to click that, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!